So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Apple Pay. So first up, open up your wallet app. On there you can see Apple Cash as well as your debit card you've added. You can see the plus sign as well as the box. So underneath you can open up your card. You can see the three dots. Click on that. You can see number, details as well as notifications. Click on details. You can see underneath remove card. So if I click on remove card, I won't be able to use it, so it will be kind of like turning off Apple Pay itself. I suggest then going to the settings. By scrolling all the way down, I can see wallet as well as Apple Pay. So let's open up Apple Pay. I can see Siri, search, notifications, live activities, as well as Apple Cash. I suggest you can turn off this toggle on Apple Cash if you've linked it and you don't want to use it. You can also see your cards. And if I click that debit card, it will again open the same window as before. But on here, you can choose to remove double click side button, hide expired passes, express travel cards. You can disable them as well. You can disable the default cards, compatible cards. You can, if you wish to turn it off for Mac, you can disallow those payments on there. You can remove orders and many more options. So on there, in order to turn off Apple Pay, you can just do that by removing the card, or when you're ordering something, you can remove and turn off the Apple Pay payment option and payment method that you're offered on there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Apple Pay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.